Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is specially made for Oppo Reno 15F users. In this video, I'll clearly explain how to fix speaker not working problems so you can use your phone more easily and effectively. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Alright, let's start today's video.